This is an introduction to PVS DRC checking. Most of the PVS jobs can be invoked from one of the Cadence platforms, like Virtuoso, Innovis, or PVS Design Review, in GUI or in batch modes. To run a hierarchical DRC, you need at least a couple of inputs, a layout database and a rule deck. The layout DB could be in the DF2, GDS2, or Oasis format. In the PVS DRC debugging flow, it is recommended to begin with child cells first and progress up the hierarchy. Regarding PVS rule decks, generally, they are coded in PVL language. PVL stands for Physical Verification Language. PVS rule decks are available for all major foundries in the market. For accurate PVS runs, users need to ensure that the ruled decks are available in the right versions. Usually, there exist at least 3 types of DRC rule decks per technology, and they are the main DRC rule decks, the antenna rule deck, and the pad rule deck, which is needed only for the top-level checks. Modern DRC ruled decks consist of more than 6,000 plus checks, which roughly can be categorized under back-end checks, front-end checks, latch-up checks, off-grid checks, ESD checks, and density checks. Here is a recommended DRC debug flow in a standard Virtuoso platform. Please read through the lines. It is always a better practice to first array the DRC list on the complexity scale, and then address the most complex violations at the beginning. Even if you need a significant change, say a cell movement, they are not overlooked till the last moment. Let us talk about the Pegasus DRC debugging flow. DRC debugging flow starts with Pegasus results viewer, that gets automatically loaded with violations from DRC run, submitted through the Pegasus DRC run form, where Pegasus RV is the selected error browser. You may also select Open Run, from a Pegasus drop-down menu in Virtuoso Suite, and manually load the Pegasus output ASCII file to start DRC debugging. In the Pegasus results viewer, select the cell and DRC violation to start with. Analyze the violations one by one. You may resolve the violation in the layout, assign a status, or choose to add comments in the results viewer. Step through the violations and repeat the process. At a certain stage, to assess the impact of layout modifications on the results, rerun DRC, and view the new result count. Repeat the cycle till DRC comes out clean.